Hello and welcome to today's video. We are in Vuosaari in eastern Helsinki, and today's video will be about creating line number 96. It's once again a fairly short line, and the proper purpose of the line is to connect passengers with the metro line from northern Vuosaari. So it's only 8 stops, the first one of which has already been created, and that's the Vuosaari metro station stop over here. For some reason, a part of the rails, not rails, a part of this bridge has vanished underneath the concrete, but it still is there, so the track functions. Before we start building the line and the actual stops, I will create a loop in this roundabout here, because this is what we will eventually need. And then we will move to the new stops. The starting point and the terminus will be here on the bridge above the Vuosaari metro station, but the first stop will be just none of it, and the stop will be called, let me have a look, because it's a new day and it's a new line, so I will just have to check what the stop is here. So it's called Mosaikkitori in Finnish, and it's called, oops, wrong button. It's called Mosaiktorget in Swedish, which makes sense, of course. And build in double track. There we go. And then what happens then is that the third stop of the line is called Vuosaarentie. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Wait a second. So yes, well, if you're going in the wrong direction, you obviously won't find the right stop. But wait, where should I be going? There we have it. Yes, I went looking for the right stop twice in the wrong direction, and the following stop is located not there, but over here, and it's called Vuosaarentien Utsjoväin. There we go. There is also a strange stop in between here, but I believe it belongs to the extremely strange minibus lines, and I will not concern myself with that right now, because oh boy, those lines seem crazy when I look at the maps. I've never created them. I frankly would not want to create them, but as I promised to create every single line in the capital region, I will have to do it. So as you can see, we're now on the third stop on the line, and I said there are 8 stops in total, and the terminus of this line will be in this roundabout here, just below the clock over there. So that's where we'll be aiming. The following stop is called Puunakiventie, Rödsteinsvägen, and that's going to be located before the crossing here. There we go. After Punakiventie, Rödstensvägen, let me see. After I've opened a new drink, go. After Punakiventie, we will stop at Lokkisarentie. Trutholmsvägen. Okay. Trutholmsvägen is obviously somewhere over here. Like this. That's it. And after Trutholmsvägen, we will stop at Haapasarentie. And okay, Aspholmsvägen. This is all very fine. Aspholmsvägen it will be. And after Aspholmsvägen, the following stop is at Ison Villasarentie. Stora Ullholmsvägen. Okay. Okay. And finally the terminus, which is called Porslahdentie. Porslagsvägen. And there will be a real roundabout in there. Sorry about that. There we go. And that's it. The only thing we need now is to finish this line off in the roundabouts, creating the loop for it and setting issues for further lines which actually use the roundabout too. But not my problem yet. Will be in the future. Let's get back to this. But the line has been built and then we create the line. So like I said, it's line number 96. Or was it? Let me have a check. Correct, line number 96. The ticket price is still the ordinary 3.5 euros or dollars, whatever. We start from there, and then we just go along all this northern route until we reach the end. With the 8 stops. And then we just backtrack and double it to 16 stops. And we will be ready to start traffic. Just right now, the final thing to check is how often this line runs. The answer is, at its busiest, it runs every 20 minutes. So the interval, no, sorry, 10 minutes. So the interval shall be 10 minutes. We then have to find the previous bus I bought. We then have to clone it. And place it on the right line. I presume I will need 2 buses to run this line successfully. Let's see. Yes, that's quite correct. So bus number 271 will also run the line, and now we have a basic interval of less than 10 minutes, and we're all done with line number 96. And as usual, I will return tomorrow with a new video. So until then, bye.